I feel really bad to tell you that Wagner indeed destroyed a Russian. I mean, I really feel sad to see this pilot just go. You know, he was attacked out of nowhere. That's an ambush. And he was a little bit slower on his response of firing the flares. And that Wagner guy did in fact destroyed and killed these pilots. But what he said is he was engaged by the helicopters, but that's not true. And he escaped. So I sadly have to say that Russia is a weak country now. Because if people like this are fucking it, if Ukrainians are dressing people as some fake Russian soldiers, rebels, and they go all the way to Belgorod and nearby regions and stay there, and this guy goes all the way to capture the city and goes near Moscow, and what did Putin do? I would say it was not enough. And what about the life of this pilot?